show that there's people looking at the house. I'm good. I'm good.
This is insane.
This is crazy.
You know, I wonder if the Sayers deal with it is shut off or...
I don't know. I'm going to email Pat right now.
We go see if they'll raise up.
So, Pat, I want you to see that this is your bug guy at work over here. He is securing, or he's attempting to secure your boat and your jet skis. I'm fixing to go in your house and get the key so we can lift them up a little bit more. But I just want you to know your bug guy at work going beyond the call of duty. I don't know where he went. He might have fallen in. Where did he go? I don't know. He's been known to fall in before during the floods of, what, a month ago? Oh, he's down at the shade. Man, he's just securing everybody. He just helped me secure ours. How about this rain? It has rained for 40 days and 40 nights. And here comes the water. Inching its way into the yard again.